What is up YouTube, Nick from TutorialTellers, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install the dial dock mount for the 15 Plus WRX or STI. So everything you see on this baggie was included, and here is the mount itself. So the only two tools you'll be needing is a Phillips screwdriver and some kind of plastic trim removal. So the very first step of what you want to do is you want to take these two clips that were provided, and you want to go ahead and take your AccessPort cable and find which one that fits. So I'm going to try to put this one in right here, and as you guys can see that it is too big and too loose. So my only other option is this other clip right here. So what you want to do is take your clip and take your cable and pretty much push it through to make sure that it fits just like that. So moving on to the car, take your trim removal piece and go ahead and pop out this trim. Just like that. So now that we have that plastic trim piece off, you want to go to the bottom and unscrew the screw right here. Once the screw is out, you should be able to pull on this and pop it out. Now we can go ahead and pop out the defrost vent. So once again, taking that trim removal tool and popping it out. Now don't be afraid to use any force, as this might take some time. Really simple. Now the defrost is out. So now we can route the AP cord under and out the defrost. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together, that way I have a clean space to work with. Grabbing the actual dock mount, you'll need to grab the brackets and the screw and nut and go ahead and put it on just like this. And you wanna make sure you don't tighten it all the way, leave some slack, that way it's not flat with the mount. So leave some slack because this is gonna lock and make sure that it's tight on your dash. So now we can feed the AccessPort cable onto the actual mount. And once you have it fed through the dock, you wanna take your clip from earlier and go ahead and put it on the AccessPort. So now it should look like this, and you want to go ahead and pop it on the actual dock, and you want to make sure it's popped flush. You might need to play with it. This part is kind of hard. You might have to use some force. Just like that. So I just popped, and I'm going to push it flush because right now it's not flush. So this is the part where you're going to have to use some more force and pop it, and now it's flush. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now that you have the dock pretty much set, you can go ahead and make sure there's space and put it in between your dash and this side as well. And now it should be flush just like that. Using the Allen tool provided, we're gonna go ahead and tighten it down. So I got the mount in and the AP is on the mount, and this thing right here was a pain in the ass to tighten up. That bracket has to have enough space to tighten on the dash or it'll be really loose. But another thing that I seen on videos, it looked like he had enough room to take it on and off, but like the window's right here, it's kind of hard. You gotta like angle it, and to put it in is kind of, I don't know, sometimes it's a pain, sometimes it just slides in. But I like it. No cable. I'm gonna zip tie the cables down there. The suction cup mount will not break on me. It won't fall like in the heat or in the cold, and it just looks a lot cleaner. I got this mount for $50 shipped. This is probably the best mount on the market right now. It's the cleanest look. It is 3D printed, so I don't know if you guys can see the texture it has on it. Supposedly it's not color matched. I think it's fine. It's a little bit darker than the rest, but nobody knows. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.